In the world of historical texts, few have sparked as much intrigue and debate as the Gospels of the New Testament. These foundational Christian writings, attributed to Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, hold profound religious influence. Yet, their precise authorship remains a subject of scholarly investigation. How do historians piece together the origins of these texts, given that their authors remain anonymous or pseudonymous in nature? The journey into understanding the origins of the Gospels begins with linguistic analysis. Scholars meticulously examine the language and style in which these texts were written. The original Gospels were composed in Greek, the lingua franca of the Eastern Mediterranean at the time. Variations in grammar, vocabulary, and literary style can offer clues about the author's backgrounds, education, and even their intended audience. For instance, the Gospel of Mark is known for its straightforward and concise Greek, suggesting a more humble authorship, while the intricate and polished style of Luke suggests an author with a more educated background. Beyond stylistic examination, historians delve into historical context. The Gospels were written decades after the events they describe, in a period brimming with socio-political upheaval. By cross-referencing the text with historical records, such as Roman accounts and Jewish texts, scholars discern when these writings were likely composed. The destruction of the Jerusalem Temple in 70 CE, a pivotal event for the Jewish people, is notably absent in some Gospels, hinting at their earlier composition. Moreover, historians deploy a comparative method known as source criticism. This involves comparing the Gospels not only with each other, but also with other early Christian writings. The Synoptic Gospels, Matthew, Mark, and Luke, share striking similarities, leading scholars to propose the existence of a common source, often referred to as Q, from the German word Quelle, meaning source. This hypothetical document is believed to comprise sayings of Jesus and is thought to have influenced the authors of Matthew and Luke, alongside the narrative structure provided by Mark. Another tool in a historian's toolkit is redaction criticism, which scrutinizes how authors might have edited their materials. By identifying which events and teachings each gospel highlights or omits, scholars infer the theological emphasis and community concerns that may have guided the writers. John's Gospel, for instance, contains more reflective and theological musings, suggesting an author intent on conveying a deeper spiritual narrative. Ultimately, determining the origins of the Gospels is a complex tapestry of textual evidence, historical context, and scholarly interpretation. It is a testament to the enduring human quest for understanding and meaning. For many Christians, the question of authorship may not alter the sacredness of these texts, but for historians, it is a window into the early Christian world, revealing the diverse perspectives and experiences that shaped one of history's most influential religious movements. By unraveling the mysteries of anonymous authorship, historians not only bring clarity to ancient texts, but also celebrate the rich interplay of faith, history, and scholarship. As we continue to explore these origins, each discovery sheds light on the profound narratives that have shaped human history for millennia.